That rabbit/hare post is messing me up. I thought they were synonyms. Their development and social behavior are all different. They can't even interbreed. They don't have the same number of chromosomes. Dogs, wolves, jackals, and coyotes can mate with each other and have fertile offspring, but rabbits and hares can't even make infertile ones because they just die in the womb. Whack. These are more genetically compatible than these, and that's why morphology-based phylogeny has issues. The problem is perspective. People always think dogs are the standard animal, the metric to use for whether or not two organisms look like they're related, when in fact they're a massive outlier due to the act that we up this lineage of wolf beyond recognition with selective breeding. It's why people always say breed when they mean species, especially when talking about groups like lizards, which can't even be defined cladistically since some of them are closer to snakes than each other. To say nothing of fish. I once read an article that emphasized there is no such thing as a fish. Sharks and rays, lamprey, lobe-finned fish like lungfish and coelacanth, bichir and sturgeon, and of course the multiple infraclasses of more modern fish groups are all only very distantly related to one another. They've maintained semi-similar body structures only because there are limited ways to efficiently move through water as a vertebrate. This and this are more distantly related from one another than you and I are from a lungfish, which is absolutely wild. Not only that, but all of us, air-breathing land vertebrates, all the lizards and chickens and people and frogs, are closer to one another than those three fish are to one another as well. These are genetically closer than these, and these are genetically closer than these. And my personal favorite, it really with people. These are more genetically similar than these. Cool. I just like to add that this is more related to this than this. This is not a joke. Elephant shrews ends up are not shrews, but are actually closely related to elephants.